Using PayPal Credit is a convenient and flexible way to make purchases online. And with this guide, you will learn how to use it effectively. First, you need to have a PayPal account and apply for PayPal Credit, which is a line of credit offered by PayPal that allows you to make purchases and pay for them later. To apply for PayPal Credit, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria, such as being a U.S. resident, being at least 18 years old, and having a valid Social Security number. Once you are approved, you will receive a credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can spend using PayPal Credit. When you want to use PayPal Credit, simply select it as your payment method at checkout, and you will be asked to confirm the payment amount and the repayment terms you can choose to pay for your purchase in full, or you can opt for a payment plan, which allows you to pay for your purchase over time. PayPal Credit offers various repayment options, including paying in full by the due date, which is usually 25 days after the purchase, or paying over time with interest if you choose to pay over time. You will be charged interest on your outstanding balance, and you will need to make monthly payments. To manage your PayPal Credit account, you can log into your PayPal account and view your credit limit, balance, and payment history. You can also make payments, update your payment information, and view your repayment schedule. To get the most out of PayPal Credit, it is essential to make your payments on time, as late payments can result in interest charges and late fees. You should also keep track of your credit limit and balance to avoid overspending and accumulating debt. In addition, PayPal Credit offers various benefits, such as purchase protection, which covers eligible purchases in case they do not arrive or are not as described. You also get access to exclusive discounts and promotions, which can help you save money on your purchases. In conclusion, using PayPal Credit is a convenient and flexible way to make purchases online. And by following these steps and tips, you can use it effectively and responsibly. Remember to always make your payments on time, keep track of your credit limit and balance, and take advantage of the benefits offered by PayPal Credit.